Do you have trouble staying motivated to study English on a regular basis? Do you find it difficult to set aside time for English practice? These can be difficult, but with the correct tactics, the journey can be joyful and rewarding. Here's a detailed guide to help you stay motivated and make the most of your English learning experience. Setting clear goals. 1. Define your purpose. Understand why you want to learn English. Is it for career advancement, travel, academic purposes, or personal satisfaction? Having a clear purpose can keep you focused and motivated. 2. Set achievable goals. Break down your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Instead of aiming to be fluent in a year, set monthly targets like learning 50 new words, completing a chapter in your textbook, or having a conversation with an English speaker. Creating a learning plan. 1. Develop a routine. Consistency is key. Set aside specific times each day or week dedicated to learning English. Treat it like an important appointment that you cannot miss. 2. Diversify your learning methods. Mix up your learning methods to keep things interesting. Use a combination of textbooks, apps, videos, podcasts, and speaking practice. 3. Incorporate English into daily life. Integrate English into your everyday activities. Change your phone's language settings, watch movies with English subtitles, or read the news in English. Finding resources. 1. Use technology. Leverage apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Babbel for daily practice. Use platforms like YouTube for lessons on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. 2. Join online communities. Participate in online forums, language exchange websites, or social media groups. Engaging with others who are also learning can provide support and motivation. 3. Enroll in courses. Consider joining a structured course, either online or offline. Staying motivated. 1. Track your progress. Write down what you've learned each day, any new words you've encountered, and your thoughts on your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be very motivating. 2. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for achieving your goals. Treat yourself to something you enjoy when you reach a milestone, like a new book, a night out, or a special meal. 3. Stay positive. Focus on your achievements rather than your mistakes. Language learning is a gradual process, and it's important to celebrate the small victories along the way. Finding time. 1. Make use of downtime. Utilize waiting times, commutes, or breaks at work to practice. Listen to podcasts, review vocabulary, or do quick exercises on your phone. 2. Incorporate learning into hobbies. If you enjoy cooking, follow recipes in English. If you like sports, watch games with English commentary. 3. Set priorities. Assess your daily schedule and identify activities that are less productive. Replace some of that time with English practice. It's about making language learning a priority in your life. Practice tips. 1. Speaking practice. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. Practice speaking as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. 2. Writing practice. Keep a diary or blog in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, or any topic that interests you. Writing helps reinforce grammar and vocabulary. 3. Listening practice. Listen to English music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Try to understand the context and pick up new phrases. 4. Reading practice. Read books, articles, or blogs in English. Choose materials that are slightly above your current level to challenge yourself without becoming frustrated. Mindset and support. 1. Stay curious. Cultivate a curiosity about the English language and the cultures of English-speaking countries. 2. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from teachers, language partners, or online communities. Constructive criticism can help you improve faster. 3. Find a study buddy. Partnering with someone who has similar goals can provide mutual support and accountability. You can motivate each other and share resources and tips. Real-life applications. 1. Travel. If possible, travel to English-speaking countries. 2. Professional opportunities. Look for job opportunities or internships where you can use English. 3. Cultural immersion. Participate in cultural activities related to English-speaking countries, such as watching movies, attending events, or celebrating festivals. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button.